Hardware and software. There are two main parts of a computer system: hardware, software. Hardware. The physical parts of a computer are called hardware. The hardware is any part of a computer that you can see and touch. The important hardware parts of a computer system are keyboard, monitor, mouse, CPU. Keyboard. It is the most common input device that allows you to communicate with the computer. We press the keys present on a keyboard to type data and give instructions to the computer. Monitor. It is the main output device. The computer communicates through the monitor. It looks like a television screen. It displays whatever we type or draw. It also displays meaningful information after processing raw data. Mouse. The mouse is a pointing device attached to the computer that controls the movement of the cursor on the screen. It allows the user to run commands using point, click, double-click, and drag methods. System unit. The system unit is the most important part of the computer. It has a main component called microprocessor or central processing unit, CPU. CPU manages all the activities of the computer. All other parts are connected to the system unit through wires and cables. The actual processing is done within this unit only. That is why it is called the brain of the computer. It takes input through the keyboard, stores it, does all the processing and calculations, and displays results on the monitor as per your instructions. Main parts of the CPU. There are three main parts of the CPU. MU, memory unit. The memory unit stores the information temporarily for making calculations. This temporary storage is made up of registers. A register is a device capable of storing a specific amount of data, such as one word. If you want to store information permanently, send the output to some storage device like CD, DVD, hard disk, pen, USB flash, drive, etc. ALU, arithmetic and logical unit. This is arithmetic and logical unit that performs all calculations and logical operations. CU, control unit. The control unit manages all the operations of a computer system, all parts and peripherals of a computer system. Software. The hardware alone cannot perform any task without being instructed exactly what to do and in what order to do. These instructions are as important as hardware. Program is a set of instructions given to the computer. Software is a set of programs that enables the computer to do a certain task. Without the software, only the hardware parts of the computer system cannot do anything. Never use pirated, duplicate software. Always use original software. Types of software. There are two types of software: system software, application software. User, application, operating system, hardware. System software. It is a set of programs that controls all the operations of a computer system. Operating system is a part of system software that makes the computer to run. Operating system is a set of programs which controls the working of the hardware as well as the software. It manages all the input, storage, processing, and output activities of a computer system. To work on a computer, it is must to have an operating system. For example, Windows XP, Windows 10, and Mac OS X, DOS, Unix, Linux, etc. Application software. The software that is designed for a specific purpose is called application software. It helps the user as a tool to do a particular type of job. For example, MS Word helps you to write or type letters, notes, notices for notice board, etc. There are different types of application software are available for different kinds of applications. Word processors. These softwares help us in writing letters, essays, taking notes, etc. We can type using the keyboard and also make corrections while typing and even after typing. An example of word processor is MS Word. Graphics software. You can create drawings on a computer using graphics software. Many tools like pencil, brushes, colors, eraser, etc. are available. You can draw, paint, and give shade effects as needed. MS Paint is an example of graphics software. Database software. Database software helps to store, arrange, and process a large amount of data in the computer. We can view the data in the form of meaningful reports. Some examples are MS Excel, MS Access, etc. Other application software. Games for entertainment. MS OneNote for gathering, organizing, searching, sharing notes and information. MS PowerPoint for preparing presentations. MS Outlook Express for email. Difference between hardware and software. Hardware. Software. 1. Hardware can be seen and touched. Software cannot be seen and touched, but we can store it in the computer. 2. Parts of a computer, like keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, CPU are hardware. Software is a set of programs that runs with the hardware to perform a particular task. Example, OS, MS Word, etc.